everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Roma Hut Institute, and today I want to show you another DIY. We're going to be making homemade glass cleaner. Stay tuned. Well, if you're like me, you hate when you run out of something and you gotta go to the store just for one thing, like glass cleaner. And honestly, I really don't like buying it because it's expensive and it's mostly just water. Plus, most of the time when I get those cheap ones, they don't work. And it's very frustrating. So I thought today we're going to make some glass cleaner. You're only gonna need a few ingredients. You're going to need to get some rubbing alcohol, because that's very important. White vinegar. We're going to add some cornstarch. And you're going to need a spray bottle. Now, I just happened to get these at like the dollar store or something. Okay, so we're going to start with a half cup of the Okay, you need a funnel too. All right, so let's go ahead and put our funnel in. We're going to do a half cup of rubbing alcohol. And half cup of white vinegar. I'm going to also put in a tablespoon of the cornstarch. I think it's going to be easier to use a funnel for this. And for our essential oil, we're going to use 10 drops of lemon. Okay. All right, so you got your cleaner ready to go. Now you can put your sprayer back in, shake it up. And let's go see if this works. Look at this. Not bad. I'm impressed. Wow, that was easy, wasn't it? This glass cleaner actually works really nice, and got a way to save a few dollars every month buying glass cleaner. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes on cleaning with essentials. Thanks for watching. Bye.